What is up, guys? Today the gun just came in. It is a mosemberg tactical kit. We're gonna open it up and see what happens. All right, let me get my old trusty knife out. Find me incision. There's my incision. Let's get it open. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got inside the old box of wonders. This is my bedroom, so hang on, let me sit you down. Alright, we're gonna open it up. Oh, I can hear things in there. I definitely hear stuff in there. Alright. Looks like we got some goodies. And of course, alright. It looks like, oh, look at the handgun. That's gonna be the first thing I put out of the box. It's a nice handgun. I noticed that the mag is plastic, but alright, let's get the shotgun out. The shotgun, yes. Okay. Let me put this open because I'm wanting to set down my phone and just hold this at least. Can you all see? Alright, you can all see the gun. Alright. Oh, yes. This is my weapon. Yep, this is it. Yep, this is my gun. Alright, let's shoot the pistol. That is like the best gun I've ever shot. I mean, look at it. Look at it in all of its greatness. Just look at that. Just look at that. And it fits my shoulder perfectly. I really like it when it fits my shoulder properly. It's one of my favorites. This is now my new favorite gun. All right, now let's see what else came with this. Okay. That's a lot of BBs. Oh, look at there. A holster. More BBs. More BBs. And another mag. Oh, look at the winder at the bottom. It's got a winder. Oh, that awesome standard trapdoor. I wonder if I could use that on my scar. Let's see if I can. I'll do a separate video on that. Let's see if I can put it in the shotgun. Is it made for the shotgun? We're about to find out. It is made for the shotgun. Kind of sticks out a little bit, so we'll call this hop up. Hop up. Oh my God. This is my new favorite gun. This is perfect if you guys ever want to order a mosemberg tactical kit. Perfect. That's like 2,500 rounds, it said. That's perfect. If you guys like this video, please comment and subscribe.